In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok not opening on iPhone. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going over to Settings, and in here we're going to click on General, iPhone Storage, and we're going to click on TikTok. And what you can do is you can go ahead and offload the app. So when you do that, you are basically keeping all the data and documents, but you are offloading it, which gives you the ability to reinstall the app. And after you've done this, your app is basically freed up. And so this will make your app run more smoothly. And if this still doesn't work for you, then you can go ahead and go to the App Store. And when you click, and here you type in TikTok. And what you're basically going to do is you're going to check if there is an update. So right now I am reinstalling the app after the offload, but when it is installed, you can check if there's an update. And if there is one available, please do this update, because this will most likely solve all your problems with not being able to open the app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.